Tear off the protective film of the doorbell. Remove the doorbell's back cover. Use the screwdriver in the accessory bag to remove the back cover of battery slot. Take out the battery's insulating sheet. Reinstall the battery, and screw the back cover of battery slot. Select the suitable installation position of the doorbell. Put the doorbell back cover. Use the tag pen to mark the screw mounting position. Drill holes in marked positions by an electric drill. Insert the expansion rubber plug. Put the back cover of the doorbell and fix it with screws. Fit the doorbell into the back cover of the doorbell. Using the hex screwdriver in the accessory bag to tighten the anti-theft screws. The doorbell also can be hardwired. Support AC 12 to 24 volts, DC 12 volt. Pair the chime. Take out the chime and open its USB port, and insert it into the USB socket of 5 volts. Press the reset button of the chime one time, then the chime's indicator will flash. Press the doorbell's visit button. The pairing is completed. Connect the doorbell with the app. Please follow the instructions to download the app. Open the Cloud Edge app. Click Add Device. Choose Doorbell. Click Next. Click Next. Click Next. Input your Wi-Fi password and click Next. Click Next. Scan the QR code with the doorbell lens. Scan successfully when hear the prompt tone. Click Next. Waiting for the doorbell to connect with Wi-Fi. Doorbell connected with Wi-Fi successfully. Click Done. Click the doorbell setting button to enter the doorbell setting menu. Set each function for the doorbell. Tap Messages button to view doorbell notification messages. Tap Me button to set the app and account.